morning, class. So before we start our class, let's start with little prayer. Juliet, please. Let's bow our head and let us pray. Lord, salamat po sa araw na ito, sa ating buhay sa buwan, sa ating hapon. Okay, again, good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today? Okay, before you take your seat, please pick up the piece of papers under your table. Miss Secretary, please check the attendance. Thank you. You may. So before we proceed to our new lesson, let's have first a recall about our previous topic about animal nutrition. Again, what are the 10 essential amino acids? Yes. Okay. Yes, Mark? Yes, very good. Yes, Ellie? Okay. Yes, Julia? Very good. Yes, Ethan? Very good. Yes. Okay. Any other answer? One. Yeah. Ellie? Okay, very good. So it seems that you understand our previous topic. So now let's have first an activity. I have here a picture of chicken. And all you have to do is put each part to the right position. So I need 11 volunteers. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Volunteers. Yes. Dale.
Kadaling na sa akin yun.
Mali-mali pala. May mali. Kayo kayo dalawa na lang. Oh, wala.
Okay? So, tama ba lahat?
Tama lang.
Sinong gustong magtama sa mga bagay na nakalagay? Tama na ba? Okay. So, anong napansin nyo sa activity natin?
Participate.
Okay, so that's right. Because our topic for today is all about selection and culling of players. So makikita natin mamaya kung paano siya naging connected sa topic natin. So when you hear the word selection, ano yung naiisip mo? Anyone? Yes, Ellie? Pagpili sa mga okay. Selection. Please read the definition of selection.
Selection refers to desirable.
Okay, selection. Ito yung process na pagpili ng mga inahin natin or mga manok natin with desirable traits. When we say culling naman, ano naman yung naiisip nyo kapag narinig nyo yung salita culling? Yes. Ano, yung way of okay. Any other answer? Yes, Abby? Very good, Abby. So, culling is removing or elimination of animals with undesirable traits. Ito yung identification o pag-address ng mga non-laying or low-producing hens sa isang laying flock. So, yung pagkal ng isang chicken is ginagawa at every stage of their life. So, yung laying birds, kinakal sila before sila mag-start mangitlog at pagkatapos lang yung every 6 months din. Okay, so sa selection and culling, meron tayong dalawang procedures dito. The physical observation and animals performance based on records. So, unang-una dito tayo sa physical observation. Can we please read physical observation? Yes, please.
It can be done through visual observation and touching or handling reference body parts of the animal as points to determine whether it should be selected or followed.
So, sabi dito, it can be done through visual observation. So dito, tinitingnan dito yung physical characteristics ng isang manok. Next is the animal's performance based on records. Yes?
Involves analysis and animal performance based on record kept in the farm, such as records or documents to be properly and accurately gathered, analyzed, and kept as reference to determine the integrity and viability for the animal during selection and quality.
So, kailangan yung mga records na kukuhanin natin is accurately gathered and analyzed. Kasi yun yung gagamitin nating reference kung para ma-determine kung yung layer na yun ay meron siyang kakayahang maging productive. So, dito tayo sa mga physical characteristics ng chicken. So, makikita sa kung wattles and earlobes. So, anong pinagkaiba? Sa tingin nyo, anong pinagkaiba ng productive and non-productive? Yes. Okay, very good. And any other? Yes.
Bright red and color red is a non-productive, is not a red.
Okay, very good. Yung sa productive, red, strong, and big yung cold wattles and earlobes niya. Sa non-productive naman, makikita natin big yung color, small, cold, wrinkled, and strong, and saka dry yung cold wattles and earlobes niya. So next, sa eyes. Ano namang pinagkaiba ng productive and non-productive? Very good. So sa eyes, non-productive, kailangan bright and alert. Sa non-productive naman, makikita natin sunken yung eyes and blind. Next, sa eye ring. What is the difference between productive and non-productive? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Jessica?
Black.
Thank you. Any other answer? None? So, sa eye ring, kailangan yung palibot, ito makikita nyo, yung palibot niya is pale yung color. Ito makikita nyo dito is yellowish siya. Okay? Gets ba? Okay. So, next, sa beak. Ano naman pinagkaiba? Productive and non-productive in terms of beak. Yes, go.
In terms of beef po, ang productive na beef po ng isang chicken po natin is naka-cutted po siya unlike po dun sa unproductive para hindi po siya naka-cut since mas mahaba po or mas matulis po yung sa atin.
Very good. So, sa productive, makikita natin mas short and pale yung kukaya or yung beak niya. Sa non-productive naman, mas mahaba siya, cross beak, tapos yellow beak. So, paano nakaka-apekto yung haba or yung size ng beak sa pagiging productive ng isang layer? Yes, Ellie.
tambok po yung sa productive kasi sa non-productive. And yung color din po nila is parang pinkish yung isa, tapos yung isa po hindi.
Okay. Very good. Sa productive, kailangan yung wrap nila is preferably filled. Ayan, makikita natin, kumbaga, puno yung inain. Tapos dito naman, two hard hanging wrap. Next, sa press. So, ano yung pinagkaiba ng productive and non-productive? Yes, press. Yes, David.
Ah, parang ano po siya, sa productive po is parang mataba. Tapos kung sa non-productive parang tutubo na lang yung muna, tapos wala po siya naman.
Okay, that's right. Sa breast ng productive, yung breastbone niya is straight and well covered with muscles. Sa non-productive naman, round shape siya, sharp and poor muscles. Next is abdomen. Yes, Dave.
Sa productive po is, hindi po siya nakaumpok, like parang hindi po siya namamaga. Hindi po siya nadalas ng productive, siya nakapukol po, nakalabas po yung actually po na parang may meron siya.
Okay, very good. So, sa productive, yung abdomen ay kailangan elastic and full, tsaka wide. Sa non-productive naman, makikita natin stiff, too hard tumors, and egg completion, and may watery belly siya. Next is sa span. Yes.
I'm not sure po, pero I think based na lang bang sa pag-measure niya, ma'am, yung size mas malaki yung sa productive kaysa sa non-productive.
Yes, very good. Sa span, kailangan yung distance between and pelvic bone and heel bones is may 4 fingers. 4 fingers yung distance niya. Sa non-productive, makikita nyo, yung distance niya is dalawang fingers lang. So, paano naman nakaka-apekto yung distance na to sa pagiging productive ng isang patient? Okay, guys. Yes. What's your name?
Ma'am, I think, ano po, kapag po productive po siya, mas malaki po yung parang paglalabasan ng itlog. And yung kapag po maliit naman po, is hindi siya madaling lalabas, may hirapin po siya.
Okay. So, kapag apat na fingers yung distance yung pelvic bones and heel bones niya, mas mapapadali mas mapapadali yung pangingitlog ng isang lagot. So, next, pelvic bones. Yes, Erica.
Well, kasi as kanina po, pag measure yung fingers sa kabila,
Okay. So, sa pelvic bones, kailangan yung distance naman ng dalawang pelvic bones is 3 to 2 fingers yung isang finger lang, isang galing lang yung distance. Same as sa pelvic bones, mas mapapadali din yung pangingitlog ng manok kapag mas maano ang distance. Dalawa. So next, Ben. Yes,
Sa may productive po, siguro po yung sa may labasan ng coke. Then, hindi sisigahan yung sisigahan ng iwas ko. Then, hindi siya naman makakasama. And then, non-productive yung may yun siya, just na nakabuka. Then, ganito ma'am. Mag-isa siya po.
Okay. So sa vent, or yung pinaka-puwet ng manok, sa productive, kailangan large, moist, and pinkish yung pinaka-vent niya. Kagaya na makikita natin sa picture. Sa non-productive naman, yellowish, small, and dry yung vent. Next is the leg and chunks. So, kung napapansin nyo sa non-productive and productive in terms of leg and chunks. Yes, Patricia.
Yung in terms of legs and chunks po, yung color po, mas yellowish po sa non-productive. And then yung chunks po, parang pattern na po siya, unlike, yung productive po, pattern po siya, unlike po dun sa may non-productive po, parang hindi po siya nakaano.
Okay. So, sa leg and chunk naman, kailangan yung leg and chunk nila, yung chunk nila is straight, strong, and pale. Sa non-productive naman, makikita rin natin dito na mas yellowish siya kaysa dito sa productive and ripple. Next sa feathers. And other hands. Yes.
Kung sa productive po, marami pong makapal po yung feather. Kung sa non-productive po, is
Okay. So feathers naman ng productive, ito ay thin, not shiny feather. Tapos sa non-productive naman is damaged feather. So nabanggit kanina na mas sa productive, mas madami yung feathers niya kaysa sa non-productive. So meron tayong tinatawag dito na molding. Kindly read the definition of molding. Yes.
Molting refers to process where feathers are layered shed.
So, ito yung process na paglalagas ng mga feathers ng ano. So, meron tayong dalawang types. The early molter. So, the early molter are the non-productive. Kasi once the layer molt early, they will stop producing eggs. Next is the late molter. Sila naman yung productive kasi late molting hens can produce eggs longer before molting and will shed the feathers quicker. So, any question? Okay, so ako muna yung magtatanong. Again, what are the physical characteristics na kailangan natin i-consider sa pag-select ng layers? Yes, please.
Yung sa feathers po.
Feathers. Yes, Gabriel.
Yung cones po, yung beak.
Okay. Ethan.
Right eye ma'am.
Eyes.
Right eye.
Yes, Lilian.
legs and
Okay, legs and chunks. Mark.
Crop po.
Grab. Yes.
when
Okay. Well. Yes, good.
Yung beak po.
Okay. So I have here, I prepare activity. So, maglabas na lang kayo ng 1, 2, 3. minute. Are you done? Okay, pass your papers. Pass your papers. So, dito na ba lahat ng papel? After ng activity nyo, magkakaroon din tayo ng short quiz. So, ilabas naman kayo ng 1/4 piece of picture. Okay, direction. Write excellent if the statement is true and exhausted if the statement is false. Excellent. Ready the back? Ready? Okay, for number 1 and number 2. Yes. Please write capital letters. That's the direction.
X. And this time,
So for your assignment, answer the following questions. Thank you. So that's all for today. Good night.
Jersey!
I think
Ay, kaya, Len. Len. Meron mga ano. Ano yan? Ginagawa nyo na sa PowerPoint. Dave. Dave. Tay. Sabay na sa ano, PowerPoint. Sige, sir.
Hindi ko makikita ang pakalat-kalat ng papel. Pag may nakita kong nakakalat ng papel, automatic is zero ko. Naintindihan niyo ba? Mamaya niyan, ito muna makain yung distribute. We will check the first term exam, we will check. May record ko na ito. Kindly remove all your pens. Wala akong makikita ang kaya ng ballpen.